What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a Spotify Now Playing overlay in OBS Studio. This method doesn't require any third-party apps, just OBS Studio and the Spotify desktop application. First, make sure Spotify is installed on your computer and that you're logged into your account. If you don't already have Spotify, download it from their official website, install it and sign in. Once Spotify is open, you're ready to move on to OBS Studio. In OBS Studio, go to your Sources panel, which is located at the bottom of the main OBS window. Click the plus button to add a new source, and from the list of options, select Window Capture. This will allow OBS to capture a specific application window, in this case Spotify. When prompted, name your new source something descriptive like Spotify Now Playing and click OK. In the next window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Window. Click the drop-down and select the Spotify application. If Spotify is already playing a song, you will notice the song title and artist displayed in the preview. Once you've confirmed the correct window is selected, click OK. Now that Spotify is added as a source in OBS, you'll need to crop the window to show only the song, title and artist. To do this, hold down the Alt key on your computer and click on the edges of the Spotify window in the OBS preview. Drag the edges inward to crop out unnecessary sections of the window, such as the playlist or controls, until the song title and artist remain visible. You can crop as much or as little as you like, depending on your preference. Once you are satisfied, release the Alt key. Next, resize and position the cropped Spotify overlay within your scene. Click and drag the overlay to move it around the canvas, and use the handles on the corners and edges to resize it. You can place it wherever it best fits your stream layout. For example, in a corner of the screen or integrated into an existing overlay design. With the Spotify overlay now positioned, let's ensure the audio from Spotify is also being captured. Spotify's audio will come through as part of your desktop's audio in the OBS Audio Mixer. In the Audio Mixer panel, ensure that desktop audio is not muted. Otherwise, your viewers won't hear the music playing. Adjust the volume slider for desktop audio if needed to balance the sound with other audio sources, like your microphone or game audio. To test everything, start playing a song on Spotify. The song title and artist should update in real time within the cropped overlay, and the audio should play through your stream or recording. If you change songs, the overlay will automatically refresh to display the new track information. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.